Hi and welcome to this short breathing meditation. This session will help you find calm and balance in just a few minutes. First, find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or maybe cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hand gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, or keep them slightly open with a soft gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, let go of any tension in your body. Drop your shoulders, relax your face, and feel your body begin to soften. Allow your thoughts to come and go without paying any attention to them. Keep your focus on your breathing, taking long, deep breath. Inhale through your nose. Hold your breath for a moment. And then exhale slowly. Continue in this way. Our brainstem is part of our central nervous system and functions like a radio tower for impressions and information. You can think of it as a highway to many lenses. Ask yourself, what is my next thought? And observe the space that arises between your thoughts. A brief moment of nothingness, emptiness. Now turn your attention to your breath, directing your full awareness to how it feels as you breathe in and out. Notice how it feels in your body and mind as you slow down. Explore the emptiness between your thoughts and see if you can expand this space further. Just observe without changing anything, without pushing thoughts away or judging them. Just breathe with deep, and conscious breath. You are the observer in your own body. Now, direct your attention to your right hand. Let your entire focus go to your right hand. Move it slightly and notice how it feels as you continue to breathe in and out. In and out. Perhaps you can feel some sensation, a tingling. Try to breathe down into your hand. Into your hand and out. Continue like this for a short while. Now slowly become aware of your surroundings again. Take a deep breath in, and when you breathe out, open your eyes. Remaining aware of your hand. Embrace this day with new awareness and clarity, and create a wonderful day for yourself. You are warmly welcome to return. Namaste.